My students, I think, are getting the most amazing experience. They work so hard, but they do the work that graduate students do at other universities. They get to work on some pretty high-tech equipment that isn't available other places. Carson and Ashlyn are both doing processing of the beach samples that they went and got this morning from various beaches in Bay County. So they're setting them up to do rapid DNA testing, for which we'll have results later on today to determine whether the beaches can be open. Beach testing is important because it prevents people from swimming in contaminated water where there's fecal contamination and possible pathogens. It's helping them prepare for what they're going to do next, be it graduate school for several of these or medical school for some. Very exciting for them.